Hey, my third grade. I thought I would just take some time today and do a fun read. And this book, several of you, especially in my homeroom, always chose this book to take back to your desk, and it's called The Barn Owls. Now, remember, brown bears, you are also part barn owls, just as barn owls are part brown bears. So this book is for all of my third graders, okay? So the book, The Barn Owls. The barn has stood in the wheat field 100 years at least. Owls have slept there all day long and dozed in the scent of wheat. Sometimes by day an owl awakes to a shadow or nothing at all, and leaves the barn through a veil of light. I love these pictures. And glides to the top of an oak and calls. Sometimes nothing answers. Sometimes something does. Sometimes by day an owl goes floating away, away to where wheat and sky are one. Then it floats back to the barn. By night, one by one, stars come out and blink. One by one, owls wake up and blink. And hunt for mice while moons swell and shrink. It's a good imagery. While moons swell, get bigger, and shrink. Owls have hunted in this place. Mice have hidden in this wheat 100 years at least. Where owls hunted, spiders spun to hold the barn to earth. Where owls hunted, long snakes sunned and split their skins like chaff and left. And bees hummed their hymn of wheat. Eggs have hatched in the loft of the barn, one by one, white and warm. Old owls watching new owls born in the redwood barn, in the whisper of wheat. To grow up and sleep and wake and blink. And hunt for mice as they always have. 100 years at least. The end. Now, this book always makes me miss you all very much, just looking at it and how much we talked about owls and how many owls I have in my classroom and you all being my barn owls. But just remember that you are loved and you are missed, and I cannot wait to see you again.